Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Kung Fu at home. First, establish a dedicated practice space, even if it's just a small area. Start by mastering fundamental stances like horse stance and bow stance. Pay close attention to your body alignment and breathing. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of practice daily. Remember, patience and discipline are crucial for progress in any martial art. To build a strong foundation, incorporate conditioning exercises into your routine. Push-ups, squats, and stretching will enhance your strength and flexibility. Systematically learn and practice basic strikes, blocks, and kicks. Focus on precision and power in each movement. Understanding how your body moves and maintains balance is vital for effective Kung Fu techniques. As you progress, begin learning traditional Kung Fu forms, which are sequences of movements. These forms help you connect individual techniques into a cohesive flow. Recording yourself practicing can provide valuable insights for self-correction. Observe your posture, timing, and power. Cultivate mental discipline. A focused mind enhances your physical performance and overall learning experience. To stay motivated and refine your skills, engage with online Kung Fu communities. Sharing experiences and asking questions can accelerate your learning. If possible, seek out virtual coaching for personalized feedback on your technique. Remember, consistent effort over time yields the best results. Also, for a powerful cleaning solution, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.